Learn present tense and the past tense in Igbo language and their English meanings. Present tense, past tense. Number 1 is be. When you hear be means live. In present tense, be, live. Past tense of be is biri, lived. Biri, lived. Another one is bupu, carry away. Bupu, carry away. Past tense of bupu is bupuru, carried away. Bupuru, carried away. Buru, carry. Buru, carry. Buru is different from bupu. Past tense of buru is buru, carried. Buru, carried. You can see that it has double u. Banye, enter. Banye, enter. Past tense of banye is banyere, entered. Banyere, entered. Another one is bute, carry in. Bute, carry in. Past tense of bute is butere, carried in. Butere, carried in. Bubiga, carry over. Bubiga, carry over. Past tense of bubiga is bubigara, carried over. Bubigara, carried over. Another one is chefue. Chefue, some may remove this a and put o by calling it chefu. It's just the same thing. Whether chefue or chefu, it means forget. Past tense of chefue is chefuru, forgot. Chefuru, forgot. Another one is chipu. Chipu means pack out. When you hear chipu, it means there are many. Chipu, pack out in present tense. Past tense of chipu is chipuru, packed out. Chipuru, packed out. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.